to my channel. So in today's video, I'm showing you how to do this dramatic but not too dramatic for the month of October. So if you would like to see how I created this eye look, just continue to watch. Priming my eyes using the Juvia's Place Concealer. For the eyeshadow, I'm taking the Juvia's The Warrior palette, and I'm taking this brown eyeshadow and apply it all over my eye. I added a little extra on the outer corner eye because I want it to be a little bit darker than the inner corner. A black eyeshadow, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsession black eyeshadow, and I can't hold it up to the camera because it accidentally cracked. Taking a black eyeliner pencil, Urban Decay eyeliner pencil, and just kind of carve and just apply the pencil in the inner corner eye. Flat brush and just kind of buff it out. And I'm going with more of a precise brush, just kind of clean up that line. Softly blend it out. With black eyeliner. For mascara, I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. The Fenty Beauty Primer, the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. My color corrector, I'm using a Fenty Beauty color corrector in shade Pumpkin 13. Okay, for foundation, I'm using a Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in shade 420. Okay, and just take a beauty blender just to go over it to remove any streaks from the brush. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Matchstick Contour Stick in Espresso. And just kind of lightly buff this contour out. For concealer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Concealer in shade 370 and 390. So to set the foundation powder, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Foundation Powder in shade 410. For bronzer, I'm using a Fenty Beauty Bronzer in shade Cocoa Naughty. This matte Coppertone blush. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty highlighter and I'm taking Mo Hunny. And I'm taking two of the Fenty Beauty liquid lipsticks, liquid matte lipstick. This one is called Uncuffed, which is a mauve pinky brown matte lipstick. And this one is a beige one, and this one is called Unbutton, which is a nude matte. Okay, so to finish off makeup, I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Setting Spray. Okay, so to bring this look together, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Lip Gloss, because for some reason I feel like I need some lip gloss. It's washing me out.